Hello. I hope you guys are doing well, working from home, making sure you're doing your assignments. I have hopefully got update grades updated yesterday, so you guys should check Skyward again. Make sure you have everything turned in. Make sure that you're doing your work. Remember, eligibility to play sports or be involved in anything extracurricular is Friday. So you need to have a passing grade by Friday. So make sure that if you have any zeros, you're getting those taken care of. Okay. All right, so today we're doing an activity. Go to modules over here to the side. We're going to scroll down, make sure you've done the attendance check for today as well. You need to do those in all of your classes every day. So today is Wednesday. We're going to do function notation activity. Should pull up an assignment, Google assignment. Let me switch to my personal account so I can see it as a student. Come on. What's it doing? Let's try it again. There we go. Did it go in? Let me try this again. Okay, here we go. Okay, so when you log in with your Google account, this is what it should look like. Make sure you click Open Assignments. This will open up the screen where you can open the actual activity, but this is where you have to go to submit the assignment. If you don't click Submit right here, after you're finished with the assignment, if you don't click Submit, then it's not going to be turned in. I can't grade it, okay? So Open Assignments, then you're going to open the activity right here, and this is a self-grading assignment. So it's really cool because you'll know immediately whether you have the right answer or not. All right. So let's work. Let's see if it'll load for me here. Come on. Okay. So it looks like it's loaded. So what I'm doing is I'm answering these questions. So for f of 1, I'm going to find my function f. Well, this says f of x. So this is my function f. I want to know what my value is when x equals 1. So I'm going to come to my graph. I'm coming over to where 1 is, and my y value here is 0. So I can come into this box, and I'm going to type 0 and hit enter. And it turned green. That means I got the question right. All right, so it's grading it as I go for me. So you guys should get all these questions right, okay? When I go to grade these, they should all be green. If they're not green, then send me an email and say, Miss Green, I can't figure out this one. Or send me a message on Remind and say, Miss Green, I can't figure this one out. What am I doing wrong, okay? All right, so number 2, we're looking at g, and we're doing g of -6. So g is right here. So on g, sorry, my screen is being slow. There we go. Okay, so g of -6. So I'm going to come to my graph where g is. I'm looking at -6, so I'm going to come all the way over. That's the very last line. So there's -5. -6 is going to be the last one. I'm going to go all the way up until I reach my line that's graphed. And what is my y value at that point? Well, my y value is 3. So in this box, I'm going to type 3 and hit enter. And it turned green, so we got it right. Very good. All right, so the next one is p of 0. So I'm looking for p, and I kind of see that p right there. So that's the one I'm going to use. So we have p of x equals 6x minus 2. And I'm going to go to Desmos. I posted the link on the assignment. So if you come back, I don't have it here right now, but if you come back over here, the link for Desmos will be right here, okay? It'll be here, so you can click on it. All right, so I'm going to use Desmos. I'm going to type in the function. So I have to type in the whole function first, okay? So I'm going to type in p of x equals 6x minus 2. So p of x equals 6x minus 2. And I want to figure out what p of 0 is. So in Desmos, underneath the function that I just typed, p of x equals 6x minus 2, underneath that, I'm going to type p of 0. Okay? I want you to notice I didn't go up here and type in 0. If I do that, it's not going to tell me anything. I have to type my function in with the rule, with P of X, and then on the next line, I'm typing in P of 0, and it tells me that answer is -2. So on my Excel the Google Sheets, -2 is the right answer. We're good to go. So now my next problem is Z. I'm going to look for Z. Here it is. I'm going to type this in. Z of X equals 1/2 X plus 3. I'm going to go ahead and clear both of those out. So Z of X equals 1/2 X. I want you to pay attention. Down here, when I do 1/2, 1/2, if I just type in 1/2 X, it puts the X in the denominator. I don't want that. The X is beside the 1/2. So I need to come out to the side. Let me go back and make sure I'm writing this. X, okay. So I want it to be out beside the 1/2. So I'm going to hit on my keyboard, I'm going to hit the arrow to that way, I guess, to the right, hit arrow to the right, and it'll come out of the denominator. Then I can do X, and we're doing plus 3. 1/2 X plus 3, and I'm looking for Z of -2. So on the next line, I'm going to write Z of -2, and it tells me that answer is 2. So in Desmos, I can write 2. Again, it turned green, and that tells me the answer is correct. So if I type in 3, the color doesn't change. So if it's yellow, if it stays yellow, that means your answer is not right. You need to try it again. Something has happened, okay? We've looked at the wrong X value. You've looked at the wrong Y value. Something's happened. We've typed something in Desmos wrong, but we need to get it fixed, okay? So I want you to finish this assignment out and turn it in. I just gave you 4 answers. So you should at least have those correct. And then make sure the rest of them turn green. You're looking at the graphs, or you're typing the function into Desmos, okay? Again, I'm going to put the link on this activity. So the link for Desmos will be right here. You can just click on it. It'll take you straight to Desmos, okay? So make sure you get that done. If you have any questions, if you have any problems, if you have one that's not turning green, email me and I will help you out, all right? Y'all have a good day, and I will see you when I see you.